Alright guys, in this video I will explain exercise 43 HAVO, which is the same as 29 in the VWO books. So I made the sketch of the tunnel. The tunnel in figure 3.11 is described by the formula h equals negative 0.16 multiplied by between brackets x minus 1.8 times x minus 9.6. Here, x and h are in meters. Yeah. The first question, well, first let's look at the sketch. This is the parabola. A, point C, this is point D. Here we have point B, and we know the distance between this person and B is 2.1. So that's what they're giving us. Now, you want to calculate the height, hoogte, and the width, breedte, of the tunnel. Let's first start with the width. Because the width means I want to know from point A to point B what the distance is. Well, remember, the finding A and B, that is actually finding the x-intercepts. So we get the x-intercepts, and then we find that point A, the x-coordinate must be 1.8, and the y-coordinate 0, of course. And B will be 9.6. Both are positive, which makes sense because when we're talking about meters, the answer has to be positive. Yeah, we cannot have negative meters. Now, what's, of course, the distance between those two? 9.6 minus 1.8 will become 7.8 meters. So we did the width. Now, let's go to the height. Height means that we want the highest point of the tunnel. So we're looking for the coordinates of the top of the vertex. So how can we find, once again, the x vertex? Pause the video and think, how do you find that one again? That is exactly in the middle of A and B. So you add 1.8 plus the 9.6 and you divide that by 2. When you do that, you get 5.7. How can you find the y vertex? Now you have the x vertex. You put the 5.7 into the formula. So you get negative 0.16 times 5.7 minus 1.8 times 5.7 minus 9.6. You calculate, use your calculator for this because we're working with decimal numbers. And if you do it correctly, you will find 1.9152 to be precise. No. That's not true. That's not true. Give me some tiny second here. You will find that the tunnel is 2.4336. That's the height of the tunnel. So you use the x-intercepts to find the width. Yes, very important. The width, x-intercepts. And you use the way to calculate the top, the coordinates of the top, to find the height of the tunnel. Okay, let's go on. In another video, I think it's better to do it in another video, you will find B and C.